Okay, so hi dear Virgo, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Virgo Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 10th till the 16th of Feb. Rules can be reversed also, and it's like not mandatory that this reading is going to resonate with you. It's general. Okay, for personal reading or healing sessions or want to be a reader like me, you can find out the links below. And for the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono, the masterclass link is given below. So let's start. Virgo, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see what we have. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the lovers. So there is a choice, there is a decision, or there is this energy of making a right choice, making the right decision in the situation where maybe other person or other energy or energies are also involved. Okay, let me clarify the lovers. Mhm. We have, let's see. We have the Nine of Swords, the King of Wands, the King of Swords. So this is someone who is like continuously stressed out whether they should be with you or they should like cut this connection between you and them. They should go ahead with somebody else or something else, right? Could be you having other options, or it could be them having other options in their life, but they're not able to understand whether it should be you or somebody else, or maybe something else, if not a romantic partnership with somebody else, right? So this is someone who is kind of anxious and not being able to make up their mind regarding what they should choose at the end, you or something else or someone else, right? And the vice versa, maybe they feel that you have other options in your life, and maybe you are going to end up choosing somebody else over them, and they're very stressed out about it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Virgo? Wheel of Fortune. So from your side, your energies are flipping, your emotions are not the same as it used to be. Something here is having a big shift within yourself. Something here is changing within yourself. Okay, let's clarify the Wheel of Fortune here. We have the Magician, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Hierophant. You are manifesting this energy of having a solid relationship that is going to lead to commitment and or marriage in the long term. So you are in this energy of manifesting a long term partnership, a long term commitment, a long term happily ever after kind of a deal in your life. You feel you should not be with somebody who is not sure about you, or who is continuously creating these kind of energies of I'm here, I'm not here kind of a deal, right? So you feel like having somebody by your side who is going to stick around and who is going to give you the satisfaction of a long term partnership. Let's see what this person wants from you, Virgo. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Six of Swords here. So their intention is to find a peaceful solution to a problem that you guys are facing in the situation, because both of you are still carrying a lot of past baggages with you in the situation. So they want to sort it out with you, the past problems, the past issues. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here. We have the Moon card, the King of Cups, and the Seven of Pentacles. Yes. See, this is somebody who is anxiously, who wants to wait for the time when everything is going to be sorted between you guys before, as it used to be at some point of time. This person wants to come out of this fear. This person wants to come out of this energy of continuously thinking negative about the situation between you and them. They want to evaluate the situation from a distance. They want to see what they can do about the situation in order to bring the peace back in the situation somehow, the love, the peace, as it used to be at some point of time. At some point of time, you guys had a very beautiful connection with each other, and now they want to bring that kind of energy back in the situation somehow, trying to at least. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side? King, Queen of Wands. Virgo, you want to focus on yourself as much as you can from your side, your money, your job, your career, your looks. It's all about you and your own energies, your own growth in your life. This is what you want to deal with. Create your own reality, create your own beautiful life. Let's clarify the Queen of Wands here. We have the Ten of Wands, the Four of Swords, and the Six of Swords. So it's like you don't want, you just want to drop the stressful energy of continuously wanting to change somebody so that they can behave well, so that they can maintain this connection with you, so that you can heal the connection with them. No, you're done with that factor. Now you want to work on yourself and you want to move on to towards calmer water, find your own inner peace, find your own inner balance, and be happy with your own self, creating your own reality, creating your own happiness, working on yourself, taking care of yourself, and just attracting the right kind of energies towards you when the timing is going to be right according to the divine timing. That's what you want to do. What you want to achieve in your life right now. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 16th of Feb, Virgo. Four of Wands. Okay, this is a commitment kind of energy. Let me clarify in order to get the clear picture here. We have the Chariot, the Five of Swords, and the Ten of Pentacles. See, I do see somebody trying to come to you in order to have this happily ever after kind of a deal with you. But the problem is they're still manipulative. They're still trying to play mind games with you in order to get what they want. This person is not coming forward towards you with genuine kind of energies. They might be in this energy of let me test if like Virgo still wants me, or let me just understand where Virgo stands when it comes to me. So somebody will try to manipulate your energies in order to test the water with you, or just understand whether you still want them or still have love for them or not. And then they are nowhere to be seen. It's like boom, vanishing in thin air. What a stupid reading. I'm sorry to call it stupid, but somebody that you're dealing with, they are not um they're not a clear cut person. They are not somebody with whom you can have a clear cut understanding of what is happening and where it is going. This person is kind of a manipulative kind of energy where they're trying to get what they want according to their own energies, but not ready to put in the effort and energy in a genuine way. That's highly stupid, actually. Okay, sorry. For you, the guidance here is the Sun card. See, stay happy, Virgo. Like, stay happy, stay clear, and stay in this energy of what you really, really, really want from the universe. The more you are going to stay clear in what you want from the universe's side, the more the universe is going to bring you more clarity, more happiness, and more options in your life that are going to be best for you, that are going to be actually good for you in the coming future, right? So clarity and understanding the power of living with yourself, and being happy with yourself, and then moving forward with that power, with that energy, is the like thing to do, right? So thank you so much for tuning in, Virgo. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.